Now I'm going to try to shot a combat, cage combat, 0 versus charge. Now we have a 7 charge, low velocity charge, and I'm going to try to engage each one with different position in dynamic action with the joystick. So I work very close to the charge. I need to be very attention. Remember guys, to don't try this at home. The binary explosive for USA Chemical Supply.com is very fun, it's very useful, but every time remember, always be safe in your training. So keep your distance from the charge and try step by step how big is your charge for your target, you know. So now I'm going to work very close to the charge. I need to move every time. I hope that everything is good. So let's try together. Not bad. Not bad. Okay guys, you saw that a binary explosive can be very useful in our training and give us a lot of fun. Remember, always be safe in your training. Remember the safe distance from the charge. So really thanks to USA Chemical Supply.com.
Get that back!
For everything, I hope that you enjoy this video and enjoy our job. Take care and don't forget to share. Okay guys, you saw that a binary explosive can be very useful in our training and can give out a lot of fun. Really thanks to Chemical Supply
USA.
You
I'm gonna keep that one.